Okay, let's be real for a second. Ironing. It can be a total drag, right? But what if it didn't have to be? Well, today we're diving into the Power Up Your Ironing collection from Ferris Solution. We're going to see how finding the right tool can actually turn that chore into something, well, maybe even satisfying. You know the feeling. We have all been there. You're wrestling with a shirt, trying to get it perfectly pressed, but that old iron, it's spitting water, it's sticking to the fabric, it's just not working. It's so frustrating, and honestly, it's a huge waste of time. But listen, there is a much better way. And that's really what this is all about. Seriously, the only thing standing between a wrinkled mess and that super crisp professional look, it's your tools. I'm telling you, upgrading your iron or grabbing a steamer is probably one of the easiest ways to totally elevate your entire look. All right, so let's jump right into the top-rated lineup. This is your guide to a totally wrinkle-free wardrobe. Okay, hold on. Before we even get to the first product, I want you to look at this number, over 42,000. And that's not for the whole list. That's the number of ratings for just one of the items we're about to look at. So yeah, this isn't some random list. We're talking about proven, crowd-tested results here. All right, first up is the absolute crowd favorite, the Black & Decker Easy Steam Compact Iron. I mean, when you talk about an overwhelming amount of positive feedback, this is the one. It's the go-to for tens of thousands of people. Okay, let's look at the stats because this is where it gets crazy. The price? Just over $20. And for that, you're getting a 4.4-star rating from, remember that number? Over 42,000 people. It's even got the Amazon's Choice badge. And get this, over 30,000 of these were bought just last month alone. This thing is the definition of a reliable, no-fuss workhorse. It just gets the job done. Okay, next up, let's talk about one of the most annoying parts of ironing, the cord. If you absolutely hate dealing with a tangled, messy cord, you are going to love this. Say hello to the Cord Management King, the Hamilton Beach Steam Iron. So this one is all about convenience. It's got that same awesome 4.4-star rating, but its superstar feature is the 8-foot retractable cord. You just push a button and poof, it's gone. No more wrapping it around, no more messy storage. For anyone who just wants to get in, get the job done, and put it away fast, this is a total game changer. All right, but what if you're ready to get serious about your ironing? You want some real power in your hands. Then let's check out the premium powerhouse, the Rowenta Access Steam. Okay, so yeah, the price tag is a bit higher, but what you're really paying for here is performance. It's got a super solid 4.2 rating for more than 11,000 people, and it has awesome features like anti-drip protection. You know what that means. No more of those annoying water spots on your clean clothes. So if you iron a ton of stuff at once, or you need those absolutely perfect, flawless creases on tough fabrics, this is your heavy hitter. But hey, maybe a traditional iron just isn't your thing, and that's totally cool. Let's pivot and look at a whole different kind of tool, a really powerful clothes steamer that's perfect for using at home or even at the office. Now, this steamer is a fantastic example of why this tech is so great. Check this out. It has the highest rating of anything on our list today, a whopping 4.5 stars. It's packing 1,350 watts of power, it's got a big 400 ml water tank, and it's absolutely perfect for a quick refresh on an outfit. And think about all those delicate fabrics like silk or chiffon, the ones an iron would just destroy. This is your answer. It's like the ultimate 5-minute fix right before you run out the door. And last but not least, this one's for all my travelers out there. If you're always on the go, we've got the ultimate travel companion for you. The Jack & Rose steamer is literally designed to keep you looking sharp no matter where in the world you wake up. This little guy is an absolute game changer if you travel a lot for work or fun. It also has that top-tier 4.5-star rating, and it heats up in, get this, just 15 seconds. But here's the best part. It's a 2-in-1. You can use it as a steamer or a traditional iron. Plus, it works on any voltage, which means you can plug it in anywhere, from Tokyo to Toronto without a problem. So cool. Okay, so we've seen both, iron versus steamer. How do you choose the right tool for you? Let's break it down. Here's the simple way to think about it. You should go with a traditional iron if you're all about those sharp, perfect, crisp creases. For things like dress shirts, linen pants, and heavy cottons. That direct heat is just unbeatable for really stubborn wrinkles. On the other hand, a steamer is going to be your new best friend if your closet is full of delicate fabrics like silk or polyester, or if you just can't stand the idea of dragging out the ironing board for a quick touch-up. And of course, if you travel a lot.
It's less about absolute perfection and more about getting fast, gentle, and really effective results.
All right, let's get you set up with your perfect match.
So if you're ready to upgrade, you can check out all the details, read through all those thousands of user reviews, and of course, purchase any of these top-rated tools on our website. Just head over to Fair's Solution.
And really, it all comes back to this idea from the source material at Fair's Solution: smooth out wrinkles in seconds with top-rated clothes irons designed for every fabric type. It's all about finding the right tool for you. It really can be that simple.
So the perfect tool is definitely out there. The only real question left is, are you ready to finally make ironing effortless? Thanks so much for tuning in.